So in today's video, it's all about how does a pondless waterfall work, or how does a garden waterfall work. As you can see, what we've got here is we've got a garden waterfall. This is in my back garden. It's in the we're in the middle of December, so it's not looking its fantastic, but in the summer, I have lots of fairies and all sorts of stuff and create it into a fairy garden for the kids. But I wanted to shoot this video because a lot of people don't understand how a pondless waterfall works. So on a real basic level, you've got a body of water at the bottom, underneath the ground, pump in the bottom, pumps the water up to the top, and then it flows back down. It can be as simple as that. It could be a simple disappearing waterfall, garden waterfall on a small scale. So it could be 2 foot long, and you only need a very small basin at the bottom with a very small pump. So it's a recirculating system. So it doesn't require a lot of water add-in. It doesn't require a lot of attention. In the next video, we're going to be talking about, does a pondless waterfall need a filter? My name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. And I'll see you in the next video.